Here at Western Restaurant Supply, for the past 17 years, we have been the place where any chef, professional or amateur, will find what they need to elevate their game. High-end cutlery, commercial cookware, bakery supplies, the best quality china and glassware, chefware like coats and aprons, trusted brands of large and small equipment, and more can all be found here for the experienced or beginner chef. We decided to be open to the public because we believe that anyone with the right tools can cook to their full potential. This new showroom is a huge step for us. We wanted to provide an environment that is fun, has everything a restaurant or chef needs to give their customers their best foot forward. Our 500 square foot design center lets customers touch and feel china, glassware, tables, chairs, and tabletop items to design their perfect dining experience for their customers. We will be the only store in the region to offer a cutlery bar full of knives for every price point. From brands like Shun, Zwilling-Henckels, Dexter, Mercer, and Victorinox, we will have cutlery you won't find anywhere else at unbeatable prices. My goal is that every customer that comes in is treated like family. We believe in unmatched customer service, attentive to the needs of every customer that comes in our doors. Welcome to Western Restaurant Supply.